This week we're printing something a little different. We've already been over screen printing posters, greeting cards, and a denim jacket. So today we're printing on a wood surface using water-based inks. Water-based inks are perfect for printing on a bunch of different surfaces, and wood is no exception. This is slightly different from other printing projects only because printing on wood requires a few adjustments to your press. It's really important that you set the correct off contact so the screen has a little space to snap back up after you pass your squeegee over it. Similar to the denim jacket video, but with a higher adjustment. It's also really important to use smooth, unfinished, sanded wood so the ink has a solid surface to stick to. Smoother wood will give you a more detailed print and would require a higher mesh screen. A rough or more weathered surface would give you less detail, and you could use a lower mesh count for a project like that. Today, we'll be using a 155 mesh screen and a sanded surface. I'll secure the wood to the platen using water-based platen adhesive to prevent it from moving around while I'm printing. Once the off contact is all set up and the wood panel is secure, we can add ink and print. Just like paper, a wood print doesn't require curing, but going over it with a heat gun once you're done doesn't hurt. And just like that, we've got a perfect new piece to hang on the wall.